Hello guys, it's the Lone Wolf and Merry Christmas to you all. And today I want to share a suggestion for what online shopping apps can do to make them to be better. And also be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content. So basically, this suggestion I want to share is for mainly countries like Africa or any other country where you need to call to know where the person is, and you have to constantly be calling the person and to know where their exact location is before they can receive their product that they ordered online. If any shopping app can actually implement this suggestion I'm going to share, then it would be very nice and it would be very beneficial for your business. The reason why I say that my suggestion is only for some of those countries and not advanced countries, because the fact that for advanced countries, whenever you just want to order something, just put your address there and they'll easily find you without having to call you. But for all these other countries, this applies to them. So without further ado, let me share the suggestion. So if any online store is watching this video, here's my suggestion. Well, the thing is this: why not integrate something like Google Maps with your online stores? Here's what I mean. So what I mean by using Google Maps to implement your online stores is simple. What will happen is that you put your address on the app, then next you go to Google Maps, you now share your location. When you share your location, you go on the Google Map app and you share the location and copy the link. When you do that, in the address you also have a place where you can put the Google Map location there, so that way when they're delivering the product they can easily find you, and then when they now reach your house they can call you and be like, hey, I'm here. And these delivery men or women, they can basically use the Google Map app, as when you share the link they're using the Google Map app and they're locating you easily, so they don't have to have to start calling and ask you where are you, and it can just bring a lot of stress when you're trying to look for the person you're delivering your item to. So the thing is that the only way that this idea will work is if it's implemented right. So this thing will work best in urban areas and not the rural areas, because for rural areas Google Maps doesn't cover everywhere in some of these countries, especially the rural areas. It doesn't cover everywhere, but it mostly covers the urban areas, which is why this will work better and can change the online shopping industry in these countries. Just if this implemented right, trust me, this will change lives. Anyway, that's all for today's video. What do you think about this idea? Is it a good idea or a bad idea? If you have any suggestions, you can comment below. Anyway, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell for more videos, and I hope you guys have a nice Christmas. Peace out.